In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start Pump.fun Cto. A community takeover, or CTO, on Pump.fun usually happens when the original creator of a token has stepped away or abandoned the project and the community decides to keep it alive. The goal here is not to create a brand new token from scratch, but to organize the existing holders, take responsibility for the project's future, and put a proper structure in place so the community can move forward together. To begin, go to Pump.fun. This is the platform where the token exists and where the takeover process is centered. Once you're there, the first thing to understand is what a CTO really means in practice. It means the token's holders are now taking the lead. Instead of waiting for the original creator to return, the community steps in to manage direction, communication, and momentum. From there, the most important early move is to rally the token's holders. A successful CTO depends on having an active group of people who genuinely want to support the project. That means bringing the community together, aligning around a shared goal, and making sure everyone understands that this is now a community-driven effort. Clear communication matters a lot at this stage because people need confidence that the takeover is organized and legitimate. Next, apply for community takeover rights on the Pump.fun platform. This step is important because it can allow the community to redirect fees in a way that supports the token's continued development and operations. In other words, it helps shift control from an inactive creator to the group that is actually doing the work. As you go through this process, make sure the application is handled carefully and that the community is aware of what is being requested and why. After that, organize a new community wallet. This gives the takeover a financial structure and creates a place to manage resources transparently. It's a good idea to make sure the wallet is handled in a way the community can trust, because transparency is one of the biggest factors in whether a CTO gains real support. People want to know that funds, if any are involved, are being managed responsibly and for the benefit of the project. Finally, put together a marketing plan. Once the community has leadership, takeover rights in motion, and a wallet structure in place, the next step is visibility. A marketing plan helps the project rebuild attention, attract interest, and communicate that the token is now under active community management. Keep the messaging consistent, simple, and focused on the fact that the project has a committed group behind it. That's the basic process for starting a Pump.fun CTO. Gather the holders, apply for takeover rights, organize a trusted community wallet, and build a plan to promote the project going forward.